Take a ride on the Rattenmühle, or Rattenmühle, located at Familypark Austria. It was our favourite roller coaster of the park. We genuinely didn't expect something of this level at this place. The theming and ride experience make this the perfect family attraction.
Here at Coaster Couple, we do not skip the kids' rides. We do everything.
Yes.
This is the rat something. What a great family ride. That's a happy guy. That was brilliant.
I was expecting this to be like a normal Crazy Mouse, but it was actually like a rat situation roller coaster thingy.
A rat situation roller coaster thingy.
Correct. If you didn't know, now you know.
We recommend you watch this video next, or click the other button to subscribe to our channel. We have been Asher and Troy, your coaster and couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.